Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? Got a unique offering here. These are two pieces of art, one of a lion and a tiger, obviously, but they basically were printed on heavy stock cardboard and then placed in this GESSO frame. Really kind of cool looking. Frame is absolutely beautiful. Images are in great shape. Take a look at it here. They are 28 inches in diameter. Here is the lion. So if you are into vintage art and have something for safari, animals or something like this, might be right up your alley.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.